put up the homemade Christmas tree stand for the second year in a row, and just want to go over the design. Not perfect, and had to adapt it this year, but we have just 4 straight single pieces of 2x4. These I think were 18 inches long, and then 4 legs that are, I don't know, probably 4 or 5 inches long, whatever the height of the water container for the Christmas tree is. And then last year when I had a bigger tree, I used these bolts to cinch down against the tree, and then 1 bar nail to hold it in place, and that worked fine. This year with a smaller tree, simply took a piece of scrap dowel, screwed it into the base here, and then used some leftover wire from an electrical project to hold the Christmas tree in place. So again, the way that it's attached is each of those straight pieces of 2x4 is screwed in on the back side, and it creates a very sturdy base. And then the legs are just to hold it up enough so that the cup that you're going to use sits in there. I think this is a yogurt container, but you can decide how big that centerpiece is by how far up each of these boards you screw the connecting crosspiece. So homemade Christmas tree stand, one approach.